In this video, I'll show you how to automatically get likes and comments on any Instagram post you want. No manual work, no switching between accounts all day, and absolutely no wasted time. With this tool, you can manage multiple Instagram accounts. From one clean dashboard. Each account works independently, liking and commenting just like a real user. Nothing looks forced. Nothing looks fake. Before starting, you only need to prepare your content once. You can write multiple versions and use spin text, so every comment looks natural and unique. No repetitive comments, no copy-paste spam. Your engagement stays organic and safe. Next, you decide how you want to boost engagement. You can target a post by direct link, posts by keyword, or posts from a specific Instagram account. You are always in full control of how rate the likes and comments go. Then choose your actions. Auto-like the post, auto-comment on the post, even auto-save the post if needed. You also control the timing. Set smart delay intervals so actions happen gradually, not all at once. Just like human behavior, once everything is ready, click Start. Software automatically logs in, opens real sessions, and performs interactions step by step. You can watch everything happen live, right on your screen, within minutes. Your post starts receiving likes and comments. More engagement signals, more visibility, more chances to reach Explore and the feed. This is especially powerful if you're doing marketing, selling products, running affiliate offers, or growing brand accounts. Instead of waiting for engagement, you create it. Instead of hoping for reach, you trigger it. If you want to scale Instagram engagement without doing everything manually, this is the system you need. Check the link below to learn more about Instagram Auto-Liker and start boosting your posts today.